You may have watched one of our beginner Unity Forms videos, or maybe you've developed a couple of forms of your own. You understand the basics of creating a form, adding controls, and publishing a form. So are you ready to take your Unity Forms to the next level? Howdy folks, I'm Sarah Lemp, a technical trainer here at HYLAND. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate some amplifying features like custom actions, calculated fields, translations, and form sharing to help beef up your Unity forms. Let's look at this office supply request form. Form validation and ease of use should always be considered when designing a form. I want to review the form in its current state and think of some ways I could make this form a little better. Does the form make sure only valid types of data can be entered? Is my form organized? Could someone seeing this form for the first time know what to do without asking for help? In completing this form, I noticed that department, name, and manager are not read-only, so I could go back and alter the values that were automatically filled in. I can also complete this form with no email address or phone number, but if there was something wrong with the request, how would they contact me? I could lie about the date and time these items were requested. I totally ordered this like 2 weeks ago. I can request the delivery date to be tomorrow, even though the form says to allow 2 days for delivery. As an experienced OnBase person, I know to click Add to start adding to the table, but most folks might not know that. I would recommend adding a few rows to be already displayed by default. What if I wanted to get a grand total of all these items? I could manually add up the cost of all of these items. Even though I love math, I'd rather save some time and have OnBase do the calculating for me. The Manager section really doesn't apply to employees filling out this form, so I'd like to hide that section till the manager is ready to review the form. The same goes for this Administration tab. I'm not a fan of the color red, go big blue, so we'll take a look at modifying the style of our form as well. In this next section, we'll be updating the form to address some of these issues.